Hello. This morning, me and Mr. Max would like to introduce iHeart to you all. iHeart is a fantastic programme that focuses on students and young people's well-being. It's okay to feel emotion and it's okay to feel stressed. We all feel stressed during our life. However, it's about overcoming that. And iHeart gives us the toolkit to be able to do that. It teaches us that we are resilient people and that everything we need to overcome these boundaries can be found within us. Year 8 and 9, you will have the opportunity this year to take part in a fantastic new curriculum which focuses on iHeart and gives you the whole toolkit. All of year groups, we're hoping you can learn a little bit from this video and take something away to help you with the rest of your school year.
Have you ever felt happy, sad, angry or worried? How about jealous, embarrassed or scared? And shy, lonely or just not good enough? We all feel these feelings from time to time. Everybody feels feelings all day long, and they often change from one moment to the next. Can you count the different feelings you've already felt today? A lot, I bet. Feelings play a big role in our lives. They colour our world. They affect the way we act and behave. So, where do our feelings come from? It's really important to know. Well, many people believe that feelings come from things like exams, the weather, and friends or things that happen to us like exam results and how people treat us. But have you ever noticed that two people can be in the exact same situation and yet have completely different feelings? For example, imagine you're visiting a family that has a cat. You might think, "Oh no, I hate cats," and feel uncomfortable. Your sister might think, "Oh, that's brilliant. I love cats," and feel excited. How is this possible? This is because our feelings are actually connected to our thoughts. These two people have different thoughts and therefore different feelings about the same situation. In fact, have you ever noticed that you yourself can also have very different thoughts and feelings about the exact same situation? Think about it. Your friend invites you to a party. You think it's going to be fun and you feel excited. The next day, you wonder if you'll know anyone at the party and you feel nervous and shy. This program is an instruction manual that explains how our psychological system works and why we think, feel, and behave the way we do. Psychological system is just a fancy way of saying how the mind works. In case you're wondering, iHeart stands for Innate Health Education and Resilience Training. Innate means something that's built in, that you're born with. We're all born with well-being. And resilience means that you're always okay, even when you think that you're not. Resilience is a part of well-being and is built into our psychological system. It is our natural state and is always a part of us. It can never be damaged, lost, or broken. But if it's innate, why don't we always feel our well-being? We'll explore why it gets covered up, and we'll show you that you have an inbuilt compass to help you uncover it again. You might be wondering if this program is for you. The answer is yes. No matter who you are or where you live, whether life is going your way or there are things that you're struggling with, this program will help you achieve your very best potential in all areas of your life. During the program, we'll look at topics that are on a lot of young people's minds, like, how do I stop overthinking? I'm worried about the future. I can't get over hurt. Why do I get anxious, worried, and stressed? Can we disagree and still be friends? How to connect better with others? Help, I'm being bullied. How do I break bad habits? I'm a slave to social media. Feeling good about myself. I feel judged. How can I feel motivated and enjoy learning? iHeart is being taught in many countries around the world. We caught up with some students who've already completed the iHeart program, and here's what they had to say.
Sometimes I use violence all the time, but now after this course, no more violence. I see it's not worth it, it's just don't do that. I ignore them now. Before I never used to ignore them, just go after them.
Instead of, I was always fixating on I've got so much to do, I've got this, that and the other. And when I got to social work, I used to be, it was quite self-destructive, so I used to sort of get angry or get quite frustrated at that. But after the iHeart program, I thought, well, if I am stressed, just take a step back and just let the thoughts pass. And because in that moment, that was quite peaceful. So
it made a thing go into my mind like ding, and that I can pick myself back up. I can do what I can to do to stop the feelings that I'm feeling, and that it's only my thought and that makes me feel unsafe, and that I can't face any challenge and that comes to my life.
In the first week I was here, I was generally feeling really low in myself. And as soon as I came out of that class having a new understanding of why I was feeling that way, my emotional state ever since then has been completely higher.
At the beginning of the programme, I was quite close-minded to it. I was thinking that, especially when the first topic came up of does the outside world affect your thoughts, I was straight away thinking, of course it does, because if someone calls me something, I'm then upset. But then as we carried on the topics and as I learnt more, I understood that it's my thoughts and how I'm looking at it as a perspective that is making me upset. It's not what they're actually saying, because words can't hurt you. What's hurting me is the thoughts that I'm thinking that they are being really horrible to me.
I think this should be a course that's like one of the like core required classes in school, especially in high school, because, and I mean before that as well, but at the moment, a lot of high schoolers, there's a trend of like high schoolers being really depressed and really stressed out. Like all of my friends, the way, or a lot of people at school, the way we talk to each other, were like, oh, like, I'm so stressed about school, I'm so stressed about everything. And that's just the way people communicate right now. And I think it would just be so much better for people, and it would solve so many like educational problems and personal problems if people had this way of thinking, because it helps you not only be a better person to other people, but also be a better person to yourself.
It helps me to feel like that we're all different and some of us might not be feeling like the same things, and if people judge us, just let them judge, but it never means anything. Like say for example, somebody calls you a rude name or something, just ignore it. It doesn't have the power to put a bad feeling inside you.
And I would be like, kind of like build this imaginary brick wall that I can't get over for me to like come round and actually like feel right, let's get on and do this. I would always be like really, really worried. But once I did the iHeart programme, I now have a totally different approach on it and just see it as kind of like a walk in the park, really. And yeah, it's definitely helped. My feelings have gone straight up from down in the dumps to high in the sky.
There's so much to explore. Let's take a look at what we've learnt so far. The iHeart programme explains how our minds work, why we think, feel and behave the way we do. Well-being is built into our psychological system, so it's a part of everyone. We don't always feel our well-being, but there's no need to worry, it's always there. We'll explore why it gets covered up and how we uncover it again.
Hello. I hope you enjoyed that video clip and picked up on one of the key themes found within it, that our thoughts are related to our feelings, and in turn, our feelings are related to our thoughts. Now, this is really important because what we need to realise is sometimes if we're not having a particularly good day or we're feeling a little bit down, we have an inbuilt resilience and our own innate well-being. And all of that knowledge inside us will help us to get through the day, no problem at all, and get ourselves back on track. So have a really good day. Thank you.